Hey there. So today's video is going to be pretty quick. I just want to demonstrate how to create curved shapes with your images and Showit. So we have an image here on the screen that is just a typical square, but if you want to make this into an oval or a circle or even just some type of weird teardrop shape, we're going to get into how to do that. All right, so while in Showit, go over to the left. While your image is selected, click on Effects. And down here where it says Corners, you have these three options. So we're going to want to click on that middle option, and you'll see that all of these shape options show up. So you have your curved side, sharp corners, curved corner. Usually this is a popular one that you'll see. Just click on that and bam, you have your curved shape. But these sharp corners, those are interesting, and that could add a little something to your design. So if that's something you like to do, and you just have all of these options. These are nice when you have them over to the edge of the screen, and it's just kind of a curve right there in the screen. I like that. All right, now let's say you want a circle though. There is no option in here for a circle. So what you'll do if you want a circle is come up here to where it says corners and click on this little oval, and you'll get the oval to start with. But if you want more of a round circle, if you want to make that more rounded, you can just grab the edges of your image and squeeze them in and out until you get the size circle that you want. Another option you have is to click back in that middle section. Once you click back in the middle section, you can manually change the corners. So you can click in here, type in what you want the pixel number to be, and now you'll see that you have sort of a rounded square. So you can just play around with these and decide how you want them. If you want all corners to be the same, leave this little lock in the middle locked. If you want to change just one or two of the corners, you can click that, unlock it, and now you can have different pixel sizes for each corner. So you'll see how this corner is more rounded than this one. So yeah, so that's how you get your curved shapes and Showit. They have made it extremely simple now for us to get curved shapes. If you guys have any questions, go ahead and drop them in the comment box below, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.